Welcome back to Smart Study. Today we are diving into Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. In this session, you will get complete NCERT coverage, extra important questions, key definitions and terms, and clear explanations based fully on the latest syllabus. So, pick up your pen, keep your notebook ready, and let's begin this smart journey together. Remember, starting with focus will save your stress later. Now, let's think about this chapter in real life. Imagine two situations happening together. For example, two friends planning their schedules or two goals that need to be balanced. Whenever two conditions have to be satisfied at the same time, we are basically dealing with a pair of linear equations in two variables. This chapter is not just about numbers, it is about understanding how two rules, when applied together, can give one solution, many solutions, or no solution at all. That is the power of linear equations. In NCERT, we mainly study four methods of solving these equations: graphical method, substitution method, elimination method, and sometimes cross multiplication method also. Remember, each method has its own beauty. Practice all of them so that in the exam you can pick whichever looks easiest for the given problem. Now let's pause and remind ourselves, every time you solve a question, you are not just preparing for the exam, you are also training your brain to think logically. Don't skip steps. Neat and clear working always fetches you marks. Keep a formula and method sheet ready. A quick look before exams can save you from silly mistakes. Smart tip: always check your solution by putting it back into the original equations. This tiny step can help you avoid errors. And yes, do not get nervous if your first attempt goes wrong. Every wrong attempt is still a step towards clarity. Be patient with yourself because mathematics is mastered by persistence, not by rushing. So, in this chapter, what do we really learn? And we learn how to represent situations using two equations, solve them using different approaches, and to interpret solutions as unique, infinite, or none. This skill is not just for exams, it is about building logical thinking, learning to compare conditions, and finding balanced answers, sometimes useful in every life stage. Keep practicing, keep applying, and soon you will see how simple and powerful this chapter really is. Sometimes students think, why do we even study pairs of linear equations? Well, think about this. You go to a shop with two things in mind, say notebooks and pens. You know the total cost and you know the difference between their prices. To actually find the exact cost of each, you unknowingly form two equations in two variables. That is how real life problems fit into this chapter. Linear equations help us model situations, whereas two rules work together. It could be budgeting, travel planning, or even comparing scores in a match. Mathematics is not just about abstract numbers, it is about organizing life's situations logically. Now let's focus on exam strategy. First, always check the type of solution, whether it is unique, solution or infinite. Writing this clearly shows your understanding and fetches your marks. Second, practice neat presentation. Keep variables aligned, steps clear, and avoid shortcuts that confuses the teacher. Remember, you don't just solve for yourself, you solve for the examiner who reads your answer sheet. Third, revise formulas regularly. Don't wait till the last day. Just 5 minutes of formula. Revise daily saves you from the blank moments in the exam. If you want chapter 1 and 2, they are already uploaded on the channel. Do check them out for complete preparation. If you need any help or have any query, just drop it in the comment. I will surely reply. That's all for today. Goodbye.